So we landed in Chefchaouen yesterday, and this is the hostel we are currently staying at. This is known as the Blue City, Pearl Blue City, something along them lines. So this is like the ground floor. We check in. Little bathroom over here, little sink. There's a little toilet over here. A little basin, you wash your hands. So sometimes they put the football up as well, so you can watch some football as well. This is like the kitchen. They can give you beers or whatever you need, really. It's quite nice. This is one of the staff, Mohammed. And so this is our room. This is a 3-bed private room right now. It's not bad. Nice storage. So in this hostel we're not using a shared dorm, we're using a private room, which is £10 each person, £30 a night. Not bad. Just go up the stairs now. So we've got all these beautiful decorations. So this is what another bed looks like. This is probably just an individual person. This is probably £30 a night by itself, or 1-2 people. It's quite nice. It's very clean. Not seen anything dirty yet. So you've got landings again. Like in the other hostel, you had the landings. So very similar. They've got a laundry service where you can wash your clothes. This is the landings down here. And again, go all the way to the top. So yeah, let's go to the next floor now. So this is the 3rd floor, or the 2nd. Wow. Got a window here. So you get a nice view. Come outside. And then you also, this is like a shower, so you got a toilet over here, and then you've got another toilet, and you got a shower over here. The water temperature is nice, everything's decent, nothing wrong with it, to be honest with you. Yeah, so it's quite decent. The rooftop is very nice. I don't know why though, there's not a lot of people socialising. I feel like this hostel would be great if there was a lot of people talking. But I feel like there's not a lot of people here that are really interested in socialising, or no activities or events carried out by the hostel. The person who owns this hostel is a British person. But unfortunately there's no activities. Again, there's no walking tours. There's no events. So again, we've got another shower here. Got another shower here. And we've got a toilet again. Another beautiful window again. this is the rooftop. This is the rooftop. It's got lovely views from here. Another seating area, and these are the amazing views you get from here. So now you know why it's called the Blue City. Everything's painted blue. It is beautiful. It's very nice and relaxing compared to Tangier. I feel like Tangier is not really much to do. But over here you can enjoy walking around, going to little cafes. The community is much better over here than Tangier. These are my brothers from the hostel. Amazing guys. My boy over here. My boy over here. Thank you, man.
I'll see you in the future, man.
Yeah.